so good afternoon, everyone. It's my pleasure to be here to present our video solutions for you. I'm Tony. I'm from iS-IoT division, and our division iS-IoT stands for Intelligent Service Internet of Things. So I'm here. Video is a very important part in the IoT area. So today I'll present our video solutions for you. So basically, we provide 3 different levels of video solutions to our customer. So the first level is the board level. We provide a complete video card series and free bundle with our SDK, so our customer can easily integrate their own software with our SDK. And we also free bundle our recording software for surveillance usage. So we'll have more introduction to that later. And for appliance level, we provide Tribrid DVR Solutions. For, maybe many of you may be new to the term Tribrid because that means that we can support standard definition, the traditional CCTV camera and HD SDI camera and IP camera all on the same system. And as you know, I think you may be very familiar that Advantech is very strong at the IPC platform. So if you install the software to our IPC platform, you can become a Tribrid DVR for your surveillance application. And we also have a Standalone Fanless NVR, that's our ARC series. So we will have more introduction to that later. And also provide PLE and management video switches, because now video internet switch has become a very important part in the surveillance system. And for system level, we have developed our own recording software called PowerView. It can support some basic IVS functions and CMS function. We also provide a backup center and event center, and we also have apps for remote viewing for mobile phones. And we will have more introduction to that later too. So first, I'll start introducing our video card series. So for our video card series, there are three main selling points. The first one is that we provide a complete series of video cards. We can see that we provide both high definition, standard definition, and software compression, hardware compression card. And channels of each card starts from 1 channel up to 16. And we also provide multiple PC host interface, including PCI, PCI Express, PCI 104, USB, and some mini cards. And for video input interface, we provide YPDVR, SDI, HDMI, DVI, and BNC, all different kinds of input. So if you have an application that requires different channels or interface, you can just simply send out your request to us, and we can find out a proper solution for you. So the second selling point is that we provide a very complete function SDK. So this is the main structure for our video card series. So basically, we provide the hardware, the video cards, and the firmware, the driver, and we have our SDK. So for different applications like in medical area, inspection area. So if the customer has their own application software, they can easily use our SDK to integrate their AP software to our video cards. So, and for surveillance AP, as you said, we have a free bundle recording software. We call it PowerView, and we are also now developing the intelligent video analysis software, and it's also free bundle with our video cards. And we will have more introduction later. So these 3 complete video card series, A+ SDK, and free bundle AP is our main selling point with our video card. Okay, so now you can see that we provide many different, over 20 video cards for your selection. So as you can see from the picture, from the left side, the software compression card. The top one, the ones at the top is high definition, and the ones at the bottom is standard definition. And for a hardware compression card, we provide a regular SoC video cards, and we also have TI DSP video cards, which is high performance video card. And we also provide a complete function of SDK for TI DSP video cards. So our the performance of the video cards is a lot better than regular SoC. So it's mainly depends on your demand. So if you need your computer to perform any complicated IVS functions, so our TI DSP video cards can be the best solution for you. As I mentioned, we have different channels, different host interface, different video input interface. So it's quite a lot of selections for you. And I would like to simply explain a little bit about the difference between software compression card and hardware compression card. The main difference between software compression card and hardware compression card is that where the task of encoding is done. So for software compression card, the video card just simply captures the video image and pass the image, pass the raw data of the image to the computer. So the PC will do the encoding, decoding, and recording task. And for hardware compression card, the encoding task is done on the video card itself. So the PC will not need to perform the encoding task. So we will have more CPU capacity for other functions like intelligent video analysis or other function performed. So that's the basic difference between a hardware compression card and software compression card. So there are different application areas for software compression card and hardware compression card. So for for software compression card, it can be used for surveillance applications, but it's usually used for small numbers of channels because the CPU will need to do the encoding function. So the number of channels supported cannot be too many. So it's usually under 8 or 4. And software compression card is usually used for medical because for some medical devices, they may need the uncompressed raw data to be passed to PC so that they can do more detailed analysis to the image. So it's usually used for medical applications. And for inspections, the same as medical, because for inspection purpose, the application may need some uncompressed raw data to be passed to PC. So software compression card is usually used for inspection as well. And the resolution for medical inspections usually high definition because they need to perform some detailed analysis to the image. And for a hardware compression card, it's usually used for surveillance applications, but compared to software compression card, the channel supported by hardware compression card can be a lot more than software compression card because the encoding task is done on the video card itself. So if you, as I mentioned, if you want to do some IVS functions, the hardware compression card can be a suitable solution for you. And we also have mini cards for mobile DVR. We have mini PCI Express, mini PCI cards for mobile DVR because for mobile DVR, it needs some rugged design for it because the vibration issue. So we also have the mini card for mobile DVR. And for traffic and LPR stands for license plate recognition. We can also use our video cards to do the LPR performance. And of course, for traffic, airport, all different kind of environmental monitoring system can use our hardware compression card. So basically, for application require high quality video or simple video capture application, a software compression card can be the mainstream in the market. And for applications require large numbers of channels and require some high CPU capacity or IVA functions, and hardware compression card can be the main solutions for you. So this is a recent successful story for our video cards. This is our customer is a medical device manufacturer, and they implement our video card with our AIMV motherboard into their operation microscope. They simply install a camera here and they implement the motherboard and our video cards here on the machine to record the surgery process. They record the video for future teaching purpose or as evidence for future possible medical disputes. So the basic functions implemented here is live view, recording, snapshot, playback, some basic functions to record the surgery process. And this is our recent successful story. So that was our basic introduction to our video card series. So now we'll move on to our appliance level solution. Our appliance level solutions now focuses on surveillance market, and we provide video Ethernet switch, Tribrid DVR, and Fanless NVR. So first, I would like to introduce why is video switch important in surveillance system. Because now the camera in the surveillance market has migrated from standard definition to high definition. So the data streaming from the high definition cameras is much bigger than standard definition before. So reliable and high performance video switch is much more important than it was before. So because the continued huge data streaming from HD cameras needs a middleware to transmit the data to the servers or to everywhere. So that's why we think that a high performance, high reliable video switch is very important to the surveillance system. And for our switch products, we provide both PoE and non-PoE switch, and we also provide both industrial and commercial switch. And for port numbers, we provide 5 port, 8 port, and up to 24 port. And we also provide both management and unmanagement switches and different connector speed, so you can select between these different dimensions for our video switch products. So this is a basic structure for a typical surveillance system. As you can see, we provide both industrial PoE switch. The main difference between an industrial switch and a commercial switch is that the industrial switch is usually used for some harsh environment, like in the traffic or in desert, because the industrial switch passed some certification, like for vibration and EMC and some wide temperature support. So we also provide a commercial grade of switch for some indoor use, because in a surveillance system, it's not possible to all use the industrial grade of PoE switch, because the price difference between industrial grade and commercial grade is quite a lot. So we also provide a commercial grade of video switch to provide a flexible selection to our customer. And we also provide both management and unmanagement switch. So the basic difference between these two kinds of switch is that for management switches, you can automatically reallocate the bandwidth between each port to provide a more reliable and stable performance for large amount of data streaming. And for management switches, you can also provide some useful functions like POS, VLAN, and flow static function, etc. So we, as to our experience, we strongly recommend that if you connect more than 5 HD cameras to a single switch, the management switch is strongly recommended, because the data streaming from over 5 HD camera is quite a lot. So for smaller camera numbers like below 5 or for standard definition cameras, a regular management switch may be part of the solution for you. So these are our video switch offering for now. So as we mentioned, we provide both industrial, which is at the left, and also commercial switch. And the top one are management, and the bottom one are our management. So, and for commercial grade of switch, we provide two 24 gigabit port video switch, and one is with PLE, one is with non-PLE. So you can select different models for your demand. Okay, now we move on to our PowerView. So PowerView system this is the system structure of our PowerView system. So our PowerView can be installed in any IPC to become a NVR, because for IP cameras, you just need the software to perform the camera recording functions. And for analog cameras, we need our capture cards to capture the images and pass to PowerView. And so our PowerView can become a Tribrid DVR or pure DVR for your request. And we also provide the central monitoring system. And it's also free bundle with our video cards. We also provide some backup center, event center functions as on your request. So our Tribrid DVR solution. So I've introduced the different types of video cards, HD and SD video cards, and there are tons of IPC and AIMB products in Advantech. So if you can insert our video cards to our IPC system and cross our PowerView, so the IPC platform can become a Tribrid DVR. And we also have some fanless design for IPC, like ARC3 series. We can also implement our video cards with our ARC3 series with our PowerView to become a fanless Tribrid DVR. And for standalone Fanless NVR, for these two models, ARC1122H and ARC2150, we can also install our PowerView to the IPC's platform, so it can become a standalone Fanless NVR. For example, for ARC1122H, the size of the IPC platform is very small, so it can be used for some vehicle applications, like in the truck or in the buses. And it can connect to like 124 IP camera, so it can become a mobile NVR solution with our PowerView. So now I move on to our free bundle. Yeah, free. Yeah. So our PowerView system basically provides all the basic functions of recording software. And we also provide some advanced functions like the e-map. You can just insert your map to the system. You can insert different locations of camera. So you click on the camera, the camera will just show the video of the just captured. And we also provide remote control functions via internet browser. We also have some quick search, smart search for recorded files. So basically, we provide all the basic functions you need for recording software. And these are our free bundle IVS functions, which we will provide start from July. So for these functions, camera temper IVS functions, so if someone try to destroy or defocus or redirecting your camera, the system will just send out the alarm signal to the users. So, and the other one is the optical self-diagnostic functions. So the video passed to the system becomes with noise or insufficient brightness or signal loss. The system will send out an alarm signal itself as well. So these two functions can be very convenient to our users. And for other IVS functions like LPR or forbidden zone, we can also we have an open platform, so it's easy for us to integrate other IVS functions upon your request. But actually, it's with extra charge. So we provide these two free bundle IVS functions. And we also provide a free bundle central monitoring station. So the central monitor station, it can support 128 cameras live metrics on three different monitors. And we also support a remote PTV control, playback, and setup. And we also support dual or triple monitors and alarm management and notification, all the functions you need for a CMS. So these the CMS functions and the basic IVS functions and the recording software is pre-bundled with our video Ethernet switch and also with our video card. So that's our main selling point. So, and these are some applications for our video card. As I mentioned, our video card can be implemented with our IPC to become the Tribrid DVR. And our video cards can also be implemented with different medical devices to capture images. It also can be used for some inspection and different monitoring system, surveillance system. And here's the mobile DVR. We have different mini cards, PCI 104, mini PCI Express, different cards for mobile DVR. And here's the traffic and LPR application. And different monitor system in different areas. So this is my presentation for today, and thank you for listening. So is there any questions? Thank you.